Hello, Sean here. Today we're going to be covering how to create a line graph. It's a pretty simple process, so let's dive in. To get started, we'll want to go to the Mapline logo in the top left corner. From there, we'll select New Chart from the dropdown. Now we'll see a light box where we can name our chart, decide which type of chart we would like to create, and determine our source data set. For the name, we'll call this Sales by Month. Then I'll select the type. We're going to do a line graph. And now I'll select the source data set. And I'm going to use my sales data. And then click Done. From here, we can build our graph by dragging the fields we want to the desired axes. I'm going to group this by the closed date on the x-axis. And we're going to do a date conversion here to change that to month and year. And on the y-axis, we're going to group this by opportunity value. And just like that, we can get a great view of our data. If I would like to dig a little deeper, I can always add a series field as well. So I'm going to pull in my division. And that is how you create a line graph.